Hello, everybody. It is the 168th day of the year, and we have a moderate risk in place for parts of Illinois and Indiana. Push this forward. It's still gonna paint the same picture as it was yesterday. All these isolated, discrete supercells forming. Looking now about after 3 is when they all start firing up. Each of them take each of these blobs as an isolated supercell that can and will produce a tornado. This is a very serious day. Taking a look at the significant tornado parameter, and you can see they are all just, some of them are actually reaching up to 12, so huge day for significant tornadoes.